Hey guys, today's topic is how to make a shortcut of the Opera web browser private window. The reason why Opera private window is special because it has a free inbuilt VPN feature. This will help a lot to access blocked websites without any additional extensions. So some people may only want to use this for that purpose. And so they might don't want to open the Opera and then go to the private window each and every time, which will be time consuming even for a little. I recommend you guys to use the VPN feature only on the private window because it will limit your internet speed in your browsing sessions whenever it's enabled. And so follow this video steps to make the shortcut for that. And once it's done, you can directly open your Opera private window from your desktop. First off, make sure to bring your Opera web browser shortcut to the desktop. It's optional to give the shortcut a name, but it will be easier to identify if you have two Opera shortcuts on the desktop. Now go to its properties and there you can see the target option. There you have to give one space and then write the -- private. It should be written after the file path. So make sure to do the same as exactly what I did in this video. And once you've done that, click apply and OK. Now whenever you open this shortcut, it will directly take you to your Opera private window. So I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and I'll see you guys in the next video and bye.